In this step, we're going to upload the video that we just created. So the first site to upload it to, and quite frankly, probably the one that's going to get you the best results and the most traffic, is YouTube. So go to youtube.com. And at this point, if you already have a Gmail account, you should already have a YouTube account as well. But if you do not have a YouTube account or a Google account, make sure you set one up and follow the instructions. So when you are logged in, you're just going to click over to upload, and it's going to say upload your first video. So go ahead and choose OK, I'm ready to upload, and it will take just a moment here. First thing is you're going to upload select files from your computer. So we're just going to click on that link, and we're going to look on our computer for where that file is. So I'm going to open up the documents, and we'll scroll all the way down here to where it says videos, and let's come right over here to, let's see, fix common golf problems. That's the video we just recorded, and it's going to take you on to this window. So the next thing that you've got here is the title. It automatically puts in the title of your video there. I recommend you do a better title that's actually typed out. So how to fix common golf problems. And this is where it comes into play, where it's nice to have good keywords that people are actually looking for in the title of your article, because you're going to get a lot of traffic that way. Next thing you're going to do is grab your link for your Weebly website. And you want to put your link first with just the HTTP colon // Make sure you keep that in there, because that's important, because that'll actually make it a hyperlink right below or right to the side of your video within YouTube. So we're going to say grab a free golf training ebook at my website. Golf tips ebook. My website, so you can improve your score. Okay, as far as tags go, this is where you'd put in keywords. So let's do golf, golf training, golf tips, golf help, improve golf score, driving, putting, chipping. Okay, and just put a comma between each one, and that's just keywords that are in your article. And while this goes through, you can see it's going to take a little bit to get your video up here. You'll want to choose the privacy settings. Make sure you choose public so everybody can see it. As far as category, you could choose, sports, or choose what's best fits your niche market. If you can't find a niche, like if you're doing internet marketing type stuff, depending on what niche you're in, how to and style would be fine, or science and technology. But we're going to go ahead and choose sports, and then license, standard YouTube license, and then make sure it says public there. If you have more advanced settings for your video, you can click on advanced. This is where you can choose to allow comments, which I recommend, because if you allow comments, it actually can help your video rank higher. Users can vote, that's fine, it helps create interaction. Allow video responses, that's up to you. It is another one of those things that if there's activity on your video, it's going to get views, so it's probably good just to keep that stuff as is. Syndication, you certainly want to make sure it's available on mobile phones. That's excellent. Enable embedding, that's great, because then people can share it. And then you can put in video location and the recording date if you wanted to as well. So we'll just kind of jump back here to the basic info. And again, make sure everything's done right. Everything is set up. And then the next thing you need to do is come right down here, and we're going to go ahead and click on saved. So it's going to automatically save itself. It's going to let your video load. This is going to be your live link where your video is going to be posted once it's live. So you can just highlight that, copy and paste that. Because with this video, you can now add the link to like your Weebly website. so that it helps get indexed, and so maybe it just adds more content on your website. You could actually embed that video there. You could do some social bookmarking just to your video. Remember, we've talked about social bookmarking and other things. Any other traffic method I've talked about, you could, instead of sending links to your website, send them to your YouTube video to help your YouTube video rank. So you can kind of start seeing how these puzzle pieces are going to fit together. And right now it says, the video is processing, because it is. So we're going to go ahead and just let that do its thing. It's sitting there and uploading. We're about halfway through, and then we'll come back in and show you kind of how your video looks. So once your video is all done, it's going to display there, and the bar is going to go away. And then we're going to go over here to Video Manager, make sure the video did indeed display, and it does. And you can actually click on it to go watch it. So there you go. So that's how you actually do a video. That's another way to get traffic. And we'll go on and focus on just a couple more ways to get traffic that you can implement to start getting traffic for your website. Now, one thing to look at too with this, we'll look at the link just so you can kind of understand how it's going to look. So notice here's our link to our free website. That way people can automatically see that link while they're watching the video. So now we'll go on to the next videos about traffic generation.